where was I? Oh yes, I got the Hello, it's me forever. Today I'm going to be doing a Christmas squishy haul. I'm not going to be doing my whole Christmas haul because this is a squishy channel. I won't be showing you everything I got for Christmas, just the squishies. So before we get started, I just want to say I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I'm just sharing what I got, and I'd love to hear what you guys got. So comment down some squishies you got or whatever you got. I'd love to know, and I just think it's a great way just sharing and like spreading happiness and positivities and give you guys something to watch. Anyways, Merry Christmas. I know it's past, by the time you see this it's probably ages ago, like past ages ago. I got this squishy package and I have not opened this yet. I'm really excited to see what's inside. I don't know what's inside, but I know it's a squishy package. So let's get started. So the first squishy I received is this IBloom I Am Milk Toast. So this is the replica one, or like a unlicensed version of it, but it's in IBloom packaging, so I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm still really happy that I got this. I got this Squishy Fun Hawaii Steam Bun Squishy, and it's the white one. It smells really good actually. It smells like really sweet and kind of savory at the same time. It smells really good. I will take this out. It's really soft. I'm so happy I got this. It's very large. I actually thought it would be way smaller, but like, because I've seen this on websites and I've always wanted one, but I always imagine it to be smaller. This smells really good, like actually really good. This is the packaging. This a reedy chocolate muffin, and I really wanted one. It's a bit sticky because that's where the barcode was. Here's the packaging. It's so cute, and I really wanted one. I'm so happy I got it. And it smells pretty good as well. I've squished this a lot. This is like really fun to squish. But anyways, I love this so much. Thank you so much. And then I got this Eric corn, and it's like the bent design. And I really love this. It's actually really squishy, and it actually smells like corn. It smells like buttered corn, and I love buttered corn. Also check this out. I usually don't take my squishies out of packaging, but it smells like corn. If you guys own a squishy, you know what I mean. Like, it's not really artificial. It's like smells like real corn. It actually smells really good. I really like this squishy. The next squishy I got was this jumbo. It's not Chawa. It's unbranded. It is the it's just the replica of the Chawa melon. This smells so good. This is so slow rising and squishy, and it smells like melon, and I think it's just a great stress reliever. Next thing I got was a Delightful Boutique package. I did get two packages, one Delightful Boutique package and one other package. I don't know where that's from, but I decided to open one of the two, and I opened the Delightful Boutique one, and I was screaming, you know? So inside a card. This card isn't from Delightful Boutique. It was just put in. Great package. I think it's apple hash. I love apple hash. This packet, and the invoice is scribbled out. I can't see the price, but I kind of knew how much it was. And it just says, "Dear Grace, blah blah blah." I can read that, and it's got their card. So I'll put their links down below. Well, their links are always down below because I love their shop. And this is the extra I got. It's a Christmas squishy. And I remember saying in my last video, I wanted a Christmas squishy, and I actually got a Christmas squishy. This is the squishy that I got. There is a really cute Christmas tree tag, and I love how there's like ornaments on the squishy. It's so squishy, which I'm like really impressed with. This, I only have one Hello Kitty donut, well now two, and I really want some more, so hopefully the next year I will get some. I love it. Thank you so much for that critique. This Mother Garden Grape. I was so happy because I really wanted this, but yeah, so there's like some weird sticky stuff up here, but that's fine. I'm so happy I got this. I am ecstatic. It's actually pretty squishy. Usually the squishies are not really that squishy. So this does not smell. I really wish that Mother Garden had like put scents, but they do not. Same with caffeine. I think caffeine really should start using scents, but they haven't. But this is basically the squishy. It's really squishy. I really like it. Oh, there's a little air bubble there. The next thing I got was this, in the Dark Boutique package, was this Kurokuma, pink Kurokuma cupcake. And I was really wanting one of these. I didn't really care which design, but I honestly secretly really wanted this design. And I got it, and I'm so happy. Next, I really just want to collect the whole set. So cute. And then the last thing in my Delightful Petite package was this. Is so cool. Like, the moment I opened the package, I just instantly smelled banana. I was like, it smells so good, and it smells like kind of like artificial banana, but it's like really like strong. Like, not a bad strong, it's like a really good strong, if that makes sense. Here is the really big tag. I got the yellow design, and I also secretly wanted this design. I'm so happy I got it. And then the next design I really want is the pink one. Hopefully I'll get that. But yeah, it says, it's really cute. It says, here's the tag. It's a big tag. I mean, it kind of matches because the banana's so big. Has a little acrylic tag as well, and a little dust flag. And this is so squishy. And it smells so good. It's actually really, like, it is really fun to squish. I think it's more fun to squish out of packaging because then that kind of gives the squishiness away. I'm so happy I got this. So squishy. So I'm going to take this out. It smells so good. Like, the smell is so strong. Even through the packaging. Like, that is so surprising. This is absolutely so squishy, and I love it so much. So I will take this out. It's so like matte and smooth. Like, I really like it. It's very textured. It's very airy as well. It's very fun to squish, and this will probably be the last time I'm going to be squishing it out of packaging because I like to keep my squishies nice and perfect. So this one will kind of be like a display squishy now. So yeah, this is like really rare actually, so I'm so happy I got this. So I am so sorry guys. So this video is really way too long, so I will be cutting it short here. I will be opening this squishy package in another video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be part of the #notification squad. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys had a really Merry Christmas and got everything you wanted, or just had fun and celebrated family and friends, and yeah, just had a great time, and Merry Christmas to everyone, or Happy Holidays. By the way guys, I actually got a new camera, so I'll quickly just show it to you right now. I got this for Christmas, and this is like, I'm just going to be showing, I know this isn't related to squishy, but this is the only thing I'll be showing you that's not related. But I got this camera and I'm going to start filming with it, which I'm really excited about. and it has a viewfinder, so it'll be really, like, not viewfinder, like a flip screen, so it'll be really easy to film videos, and hopefully my quality will be better, and I'll be editing on my laptop now. But stay tuned, because the next couple of videos will not be filmed with that camera, and I just got this for Christmas, so I couldn't pre-film any on this. So once I come back from China and all the pre-filmed videos are uploaded, I will start using this camera, and I hope you guys can see the difference. Anyways, bye! Just a quick announcement.